back in the video. Today, we're going to be riding in the car. Now, what else are we going to do, Mommy? Yep, it's almost Loose Bar Day. It is night. Mom, whenever you had the iPhone 11 Pro Max, do you have iPhone 11 Pro Max? Whenever you had it and you took pictures at night, would it slow down the camera and say night on it? Yeah, because whenever I'll take pictures at night, I would have to wait like... Where? Yep, there's one.
First one is here.
The first one is here.
There's the stage for Forest Park.
The stage?
Yep, that's where you're going to be doing their dancing.
Oh, yeah.
So see, them all people can stand out in the road where we park at and they can see you.
Are they going to throw out candy again?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, we're looking for food trucks. What was I saying before you saw it? The food truck? I don't know what I was saying. The video knows what I was saying, but I can't remember. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Down here.
Well, that's a bunch of bugs.
Most people turn to go like that by the levee of grass from left on that road.
Okay, I know what I'm saying. Yeah. Whoa! Look at that.
Whoa.
Those are all bugs.
Mayflies.
Those are mayflies. Yeah, whenever Kendall's got, there's more mayflies. Oh my gosh. They're gonna get inside the car. Why does it smell so weird down here? No, we're gonna drive right through them. Oh my gosh, we're gonna drive right through the mayflies. Oh no. Oh, we're taking this way instead of that way. Oh, the glare of it. There is. Oh gosh, there's more.
Yeah, we're avoiding the mayflies.
There's a bunch of mayflies.
Look how many there are.
Oh my gosh.
Oh Lord, here they are.
Where? Okay. So yeah, what I was saying is whenever I would take a picture, it would say hold still, and then it'll go, and then it would, yeah, okay. Cause I was like, is my phone torn up at night or something? Cause it would get really laggy too.
Yes. They can take an instant picture.
Okay, I don't know how though.
Click where the flash is, and then where it says like 3S or whatever, you drag it over to the left. It'll get 0 seconds.
Are we going back to home?
So this is where the announcers are going to get right there. So you're going to stop right here. They will be right up here by the top. So we can still see. I'll try to park as close to this thing right here.
Isn't the bike parade also on Loose Bar Day?
No, it's on Friday.
They have a game. And there's more mayflies. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there. And there's a game going on. Yeah, we have our doggy too. These are mayflies. There's a few mayflies right there. Okay, it's really dark now. That could be it for a video, guys. Bye.